What's up, guys? It's Foggy.
And it's Shane McElrath. We're here at Washougal, and this is the best in the pits.
Yeah, where is he?
Oh, it's using the white.
Oh, okay.
I'll share it with you now.
It'll record a nothing
Trail riding here in the mule.
Yeah.
There's so many like nice little fish and not catching. What's happening?
How are we? This place.
So I love it. When you go back, you gotta go to like the whole house. That's where you go back. Oh yeah.
Don't park on water lines.
Do you remember we were staying at Paul's truck?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yep.
I don't have his number. I have no idea. You see me giving a rig tour, just hop in the rig, you know, bro down, be like, oh, or check out some foot pegs or something, you know.
Get under there, look at the skippy legs.
Flag it down for photos.
Yeah.
I'm good with that.
Yeah. Yeah, right.
No more walking on eggshell.
Race bikes look good, boys. I don't know what you guys did this week, but I'm sure. Have you ever invoiced for 23 or? Hey, can you go over to the
Video that they do about bikes, they're going to show Jet's bike and all that. They're not going to show your bike.
No, I haven't watched this, I don't think. So, yeah.
Here, you go. I'll say, what's up, guys? I'm Foggy, and then you'll say, I'm Shane. This is where I Washougal. This is the best of the pits.
Yeah, just like that.
Okay.
Ready?
I got it.
What's up, guys? It's Foggy.
And I'm Shane, and this is the Foggy Show.
No, we're at Washougal.
This is like hometown race for Foggy Llama Films. Like, dude, we got here and the paparazzi just like, he knows everybody up here. I mean, he's got people coming over like, hey, where's the Foggy kid? We don't know. He's off doing other stuff. So this is Foggy's home race, and he's well known up here.
We're ready. This is the best of the pits. Let's do it.
I almost feel like I should be paying you for daycare.
Trevor just got that. Ryder is still a kid.
I don't know if the audio caught it, but
You hear it now? Ryder's still a kid. 19.
Not true.
19
really
going on
19?
12.
I'm a full-grown adult.
Yeah. A 6'4" 19-year-old.
Full-grown
Yeah.